Hello, everybody. Here I'm again with you, Afzalim Raja. Here today, I was driving around and I've seen this beautiful, amazing beauty here. Look at here. बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिलकश और बहुत ही प्यारी जगह अगर मैं आपको ये दिखा सकूं clouds are looking beautiful and then if you look at this place, wow. This is near Nuneaton, Tamworth and Hinckley. This is the place. West Midlands, England. Amazing place. And this all goes to all over there at the end. If you look, this is amazing. Wow. Today weather is beautiful. It's sunny and breezy day.